Did you know that bougainvillea can bloom year-round in the right conditions? Let's discover how to make your garden vibrant with these colorful plants. In this video, you'll learn how to grow bougainvillea, a stunning plant that can transform your garden into a colorful paradise. So, let's get real for a second. Many gardeners out there struggle to achieve those vibrant blooms that bougainvillea is famous for. It can be super frustrating, right? You plant these beauties, but they just don't seem to thrive like you hoped. One of the biggest reasons for this is common mistakes in care and planting. Whether it's overwatering, poor soil selection, or just not enough sunlight, these little missteps can totally hold you back from having that jaw-dropping display you're dreaming of. But don't worry. We're going to tackle these issues head-on so you can have a garden that's bursting with color and life. Alright, let's dive into some essential tips that will help you grow bougainvillea like a pro. First up, let's talk about soil selection. Bougainvillea loves well-draining soil, so make sure to mix in some sand or perlite to improve drainage. This will prevent those pesky root rot issues that can come from sitting in soggy soil. Speaking of water, let's discuss watering practices. These plants don't like their feet wet, so water them deeply but infrequently. It's better to let the soil dry out between waterings. Now, onto sunlight exposure. Bougainvillea thrives in full sun, so try to get at least 6 hours of bright, direct sunlight every day. This will promote lush growth and an explosion of blooms. The more sun they get, the happier they'll be. Now, here's the big secret to unlocking those spectacular blooms: understanding the plant's unique needs. Bougainvillea is a bit of a diva when it comes to pruning, so don't skip this step. Regular pruning encourages new growth and more flowers. You want to trim back your plant at the start of its growing season to stimulate that blooming action. And remember, when you prune, focus on removing dead or weak branches. This will help redirect the plant's energy to the healthier parts, resulting in a more vibrant display. Trust me, once you nail this, you'll be amazed by how much more colorful your garden will become. To wrap up, we've explored the best practices for nurturing bougainvillea. We talked about soil selection, watering techniques, sunlight exposure, and the art of pruning. These simple tips can lead to a stunning display in your garden, making it a true showstopper in your neighborhood. Remember, with a little effort and the right care, you can achieve that vibrant garden you've always wanted. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening insights. Share your own bougainvillea experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your colorful gardens and any tips you might have. Happy gardening, everyone!